Potential difference. In order to move the test charge Q from point A to B, an external force denoted as Fext is needed to counter the repulsive force acting on the charge Q inside the electric field. Thus, the electrical potential between the points, or simply the potential difference between these points, can be defined as the work required to be done by an external force in moving charge Q from one point to another in an electric field of any charge configuration is given by VAB is equal to VB minus VA, which is equal to WAB by Q, and is thus can be written as negative of integral A to B E dot dr, where WAB is the total work done by the external force in moving the charge. Fext is equal to negative of charge Q multiplied by external electric field E. Here this negative sign indicates that the work done against the electric force gets stored as potential energy. Electrostatic potential. Since we have definition for potential difference between 2 points in an electric field, so we need a reference point to write potential of any other point. Here we assume infinity as the reference. The electric potential or electrostatic potential at a point in an electric field of a point charge is defined as the amount of work done per unit test charge so as to bring the test charge from infinity to that point without acceleration, irrespective of the path taken to bring it. Electric potential due to a point charge. Let us consider that a point charge or source charge plus Q is placed at the origin O, and another point charge or test charge plus Q is located at the point P, and the separation between the positions of source charge plus Q and test charge plus Q is OP, which is equal to R. Now assume some intermediate points A, B and P prime on the line joining points O and P. Let the separation or distance between the point P prime and O be x. The total work done in moving the test charge plus Q from point P prime to point P is WP prime P is equal to minus Q multiplied by integral of E dx from P prime to P. If the point P prime is situated at infinity, that is x is equal to infinity, then the total work done in moving the test charge plus Q from infinity to point P will be W infinity P is equal to minus Q integral of E dx from infinity to P, integrating which gives us source charge Q multiplied by test charge Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R. Thus, the electric potential at any point, points A, B in the figure, due to a point charge plus Q is V of R is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by 1 by R. This explains the point charge Q is positive and then V is positive, and in case if Q is negative, then V also be negative. It means that the work done in bringing the test charge from infinity to the point is not against the repulsive force but along the attractive force. Electric potential due to a system of charges. Let us consider a system of point charges Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn, which are separated from the point P by a distance R1P, R2P, R3P up to Rnp as shown in the figure. The electric potential due to system of charges is the sum of electric potentials at the point using the superposition principle can be written as V of R is equal to V1 plus V2 up to Vn, or V of R is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught multiplied by summation of I is equal to 1 to n Qi by Ri.